so far we mentioned two major drawbacks of these technologies, and I think you have the third point, right?
This is more on the theoretical levels. Some scientists already warn that the initial training of those models happened by scraping the web. So initially the content that we humans produce.
Yeah, that's the basis of this
now
model.
these systems create new outputs that also become part of the internet. For example, newsletter articles or newspaper paper articles. And in the next training iteration, it's eating its own output. Yeah, so
That's
you
ridiculous.
can imagine. Yeah, it's what the scientists claimed, and it's pretty obvious. It's a downward spiral because the level is going down and down, and no fresh input is coming. Yeah, because if you look at how the initial training data that forms our internet has been created, there you have the original works of lots of authors like Shakespeare, for example, and there is only there's not every year a new Shakespeare coming up creating.
The data somehow becomes homogeneous, right?
It's on a technical level, it's even worse. They talk about catastrophic collapse of the training system. If you feed such a machine learning model its own
And
output.
I'm certain that will come. I mean, nowadays controlling machine-generated data versus authentic human-generated data is really difficult. Even the cleverest AI cannot differentiate between these two.
No, of course not.
And they get really, this phenomena get worse and worse.
Yeah, it's like tainting your own training data.
Yes, and then of course, still we have clever people who work in the lab and generate really interesting new data. But if you look at the proportion.
Exactly, the proportion is probably also a problem, yeah.
Okay, thank you very much.